Every human shares one deep story. It begins far before history, before cities, before writing. On the screen, we see a human form. It stands between the past and today. This raises a simple question. Who were the first humans? And where did we come from? Human history is very long. It does not begin with modern people. It begins millions of years ago. On the timeline, time moves slowly forward. Early ancestors appear first. They are not fully human. They are not fully ape. Over time, their bodies change. Their brains grow larger. They begin to walk upright. The story begins in one place. It begins in Africa. On the map, Africa stands out. This is where the earliest human ancestors lived. Fossils support this clearly. The oldest remains are found here. Africa is the starting point. It is the birthplace of humanity. The first humans were not modern people. They were different human species. This graphic shows three key ancestors. Australopithecus came first. They walked upright at times. Their brains were small. Next came Homo habilis. They used simple stone tools. Then came Homo erectus. They walked fully upright. They lived longer and spread wider. One species marks a turning point. This species is Homo sapiens. That is our species. On the screen, we see a modern human form. Homo sapiens appear about 200,000 years ago. Their brains are larger. Their tools are more advanced. Their thinking is more complex. From this point, human history changes. Homo sapiens had key advantages. This graphic shows three of them. First is thinking. Humans plan and solve problems. Second is language. Ideas are shared through sound and symbols. Third is cooperation. People work together in groups. These traits help humans survive and grow. Homo sapiens did not stay in one place. They began to move. On the map, we see their paths. Small groups leave Africa. They travel through the Middle East. They spread into Asia and Europe. Much later, they reach Australia. And finally, the Americas. This movement shapes the human world. Humans look different across the world. But biologically, we are the same. This image shows our connection. All modern humans share close DNA. The differences are very small. Much smaller than most people think. We are one species. With one shared origin. All humans share the same beginning. We come from the same ancient roots. Different paths spread across the world. But the origin is one. This story belongs to everyone. It explains who we are. And how we are connected. In understanding the first humans, we better understand ourselves.